Barnwell Print in Norfolk is a small family business making a big carbon balance difference. Having invested in new technology, they have reduced emissions and are on a mission to bring carbon balanced products to all their customers.
Running a family business lends itself to certain benefits. One of them being that the two directors, Link and myself for instance, can react very quickly. So when we see an opportunity with new technology, we can weigh it up and hit it very, very hard and don't have to go through a lengthy process. The other thing is we can use and help our staff understand what we're thinking, because we're a very small unit and can react very quickly and bring them on board, so they then pass the messages on to other customers and make change happen. Our background is we're fourth generation printers, the fourth family to be in Norfolk, so they originally came from Hull and moved here in 1908. Starting off with letterpress in the marketplace, we had a stationery post office and a small printing works above the stationery shop in the market town. And we're very proud of the Barnwell name, and talking about the work we're doing with the World Land Trust means a lot to us. So the first stage was to actually get our whole works here evaluated with our energy use and go for an audit, which is a very easy process. I mean, effectively you're supplying invoices to the company who does the audit, and then they can work out the energy use and your impact in carbon output. So there's two ways we came at it. There was, what are we doing as a company, and what can we do for our customers? For instance, we used to have an oil heating system here. So Link and my brother then started investigating the cost of installing biomass, looking at wood pellets, even the opportunity of using our own cut-offs, our paper waste and pallets, but we weren't large enough in turnover to do that. So with the oil heating system, we were emitting about 20 tonnes, which we found out through the energy audit. And now the biomass, looking at the recent figures, we're only emitting about 1 tonne of carbon. So there's a massive saving, as well as adding value and profit to the business. So that was just one benefit straight away. Energy is a cost, isn't it? And the more efficient and cleaner you can be, and that'd be my big message, I think, to any other organisation, is going through an energy audit shows you where you're losing money. And there are such great technologies out there. You can save money and do the right thing for the environment at the same time. Thankfully for us, Kamori, who's our machine manufacturer, who incidentally all our presses are built in a carbon neutral factory in Japan. They brought out a new technology called HUV, and how that's working is the ink's curing instantly under the UV lamps, which means the print's drying on top of the sheet surface. So the benefit of having it dry means, one, we can take it from the press straight to the guillotine, straight to the folding machines. There's no waiting around for wet work, and it's easy for the guys. Even though it was double our sheet size, it's using the same energy as the old machine. And then the whole process of calculating carbon with paper and the production of the printed matter is just a simple process, entering in a number of sheets. So as long as it wasn't admin heavy, I thought it would work. The other benefits to us as an organisation, not only being a carbon balanced printer, but we started submitting our credentials and our efforts to various awards, and I'm glad to say this year we just won 2 awards, one being the Carbon Chartered Gold Award, and also been recognised by the Norfolk and Norwich Eco Awards, where we were highly commended. And a lot of that was through the work that we're doing with the World Land Trust and our awareness of carbon, and because we could audit it, they can see the real benefits we've been making over the last 3 to 4 years.
Through World Land Trust's Carbon Balance programme, Barnwell Print is supporting the protection and restoration of threatened habitat in the Annamite lowlands of Vietnam.